Hello, Jeffers again, and this is Fire Alarm Demonstration Board System Test 2. So there is many changes to the board. As you can see, I've got a KAC sounder up there, cheap Chinese call point that I've already broken the key for. Here's the glass for it. I've got a homemade resettable element in there, so we don't need the key. And then I've got the Fike call point. Well, I converted it into a conventional call point because it used to have not an address module, but it was a what's it called? Built-in sounder module, yeah. So there is no panel, sadly, for this test. I'm sorry about that. The panel's completely dismantled. The box for it's actually there. I'm working on the panel. I need something a bit better, something with a bit more power. But sadly for now, it's just going to have to be a 9-volt battery. Meaning, when I reset the call point, the sound is going to shut off immediately. The pull station thingy is not on the board. This is just keeping that 9-volt battery from pulling this wire out. So that's why that's there. I took that down. So yeah, I think we should give it a test. I got this little homemade cover on there, just made out of a piece of packaging for something. It's the top of a box, is what it is. A plastic box. And let's just give it a press. So as you could hear, it was on steady. The KAC sounder was on steady, and I hate these call points. You can reset them with your hand. They're very cheap. But, you know, it's the best I have so far, considering I broke my Apollo call point over there. By the way, this is my fire alarm collection shelf. Yeah. So, this call point, it's got a tag from one of these call points. It kind of works. It's not the best. I'll make a new one day. I'm going to have to press this and quickly pull the wire out, because this takes ages to reset, because you have to do all the stuff, take the faceplate off and stuff, but you know, it's fine. Oh, what a failure. Okay, so that's obviously broke, but you can see what I've done there with the thing. I think the wires come out in the back box. I have got this only on one screw. It's probably been pulled out once or twice before, but that's alright. I'll just give you another press of this. Just make up for it. There you go. And that was Fire Alarm Demonstration Board System Test 2. I hope you enjoyed.